Okay, so first I'll explain the whole maneuver in one shot, then I'll get into the details specific to parking on the left. Approach the parking spot while flashing to the left and advance until your mirror is aligned with the mirror of the vehicle on your left, leaving about 3 feet between the two vehicles. Now this works well if the vehicle to your left is more or less the same size as yours, which is the case most of the time. If the vehicle you're parking next to is smaller than yours, you should align your mirror a bit after its mirror, and if it's bigger, you should align it a bit before. What you actually want to align are the back bumpers, but it's a lot easier to align the mirrors since you can see them. Now put in reverse and turn your wheel one turn to the left. Do your verifications before reversing, central mirror, side mirror to the right and blind spot to the right, and if the coast is clear, reverse until the plate of the other car is aligned in the middle of your window. Now turn the wheel all the way to the right and reverse until the car is straight, being careful not to hit the car behind. Then turn the wheel 1.5 turn to the left to straighten the wheels and move forward so that there's an even distance between the two cars. If the parking spot is tighter, you won't be able to straighten the car in one shot. I'll make a video on how to park in a tight spot soon. Now when you reversed earlier until you align the other car's plate in the middle of your window, that's the step that will determine the distance you'll have from the curb. The more the plate is to the right of your window, the closer you'll be to the curb. The more the plate is to the left, the further you'll be. There are 2 other tips that you can also use to determine that distance when parking to the left. You can lower your side mirror to see the distance between your rear left wheel and the curb. At this point, you should have about 1.5 to 2 feet between your wheel and the curb. This is what it looks like in your mirror. And you can also open the door to check that distance. This is what it looks like with the door open. So if aligning the other car's plate in your window doesn't work, try these. Check the video description for an important note on this. Now the reason your left rear wheel should be about 1.5 to 2 feet from the curb is because in the next step, when you'll reverse to straighten the vehicle, it'll get closer. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.